Good evening, students. Today we are going to learn, as usual, 4.4 concept, that is planning and executions of the tour plan. So for that purpose, I want to share the screen over here. So just wait for a minute. मतलब क्या पता है बेसिकली हमें अगर सपोज कोई भी टूर के लिए हमें जाना है, ठीक है. इफ आई प्लान टू विजिट द हिमाचल प्रदेश, then what are the various kinds of the things comes into the picture to accomplish our plan without any kind of the hurdles. That is nothing but the, we can say, planning and executions of the tour plan. मतलब मैंने सिर्फ डिसाइड किया है कि मुझे हिमाचल प्रदेश में विजिट करना है. then in that case what are the various kinds of the things comes into the picture. जैसे कि मुझे ना होटल का बुकिंग करना पड़ेगा, बराबर है. मुझे ट्रांसपोर्टेशन के बारे में सोचना पड़ेगा. मुझे टूर गाइड कौन सा अवेलेबल है उसके बारे में भी मुझे थोड़ा वर्कआउट करना पड़ेगा. देन हाउ मेनी डेज वी एक्चुअल स्टे ओवर देयर, उसके बारे में हमारे माइंड में क्लियर पिक्चर होना बहुत ही ज्यादा जरूरी है. सो दिस ऑल द पैकिंग में क्या क्या इन्वॉल्व रहेगा. अपार्ट फ्रॉम पैकिंग, क्या सिक्योरिटी मेजर्स वी हैव टू बी कैरी आउट, like medicines, some sort of medicines. If we feel ill in that place, then medicines are required. Then proper booking about the hotels, about our reservations has to be done in the properly manner. Then these are all the things actual comes in the part. It comes in the part of planning and execution of tour plans. So today's lecture, just 1 second. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, ठीक है. So today's date is I guess 7 March. Yeah. Okay, fine. Planning and execution of tour plan. A planning of a tour plan that includes A is the planning about the tour and B is executions of tour plan. तो फर्स्ट क्या आएगा पता है. डिफाइन द पर्पस ऑफ द टूर, कि हम ये टूर ना क्यों कर रहे हैं. व्हाट इज द पर्पस बिहाइंड दिस टू ऑर्गेनाइज द टूर. The purposes are like the tourist or the travel agent must decide on the goal of the tour or the purpose of the tour. Setting the purpose will enable the visitors to make the tour more rewarding. The purpose of the tour may include any or many of the following, like relaxations and recreation, spiritual or religious purpose, medical treatment, business deals, adventure or sports kind of activities, and cultural acquisitions. So these are cultural acceptance, cultural cultural findings about various kinds of the state, that is known as the define the purpose. That these are the ingredients, not that is known as, these are the ingredients comes in the part of define the purpose of the tour. मुझे वो टूर क्यों करना है. तो ये सारे रीजन है जिसकी वजह से आई वांट टू गो, आई वांट टू एक्सप्लोर सम न्यू एरिया. देन सेकेंड पॉइंट क्या है, सेट अ बजट. अगर मुझे कोई भी टूर प्लान करनी है ना, तो मेरे पास पैसा गैदर होना या फिर पैसा रहना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. बिकॉज एनी काइंड ऑफ द टूर प्लान totally involve the financial support. So the tourist must decide and allocate the funds for undertaking the tour. The funds are required for the following purposes. मुझे पैसा क्यों चाहिए? Because of the following reasons: travel or transportation purpose, accommodation purpose, food and beverages purpose, shopping and local traveling purpose, as well as emergency needs. For that purpose, we need a budget, we need a finance. So we have to decide the budget after deciding the place to visit. Then third one is choose the destination. चूज द डेस्टिनेशन में एग्जैक्टली क्या आएगा. ओके, once the budget is decide, the next purpose हमारा क्या होगा. we have to select our destination. For example, अगर suppose मार्च अप्रैल सीजन है, बराबर है, then most of the tourists wants to visit the Shimla, Kulu Manali or some sort of a winter side or some sort of chilling places they want to visit. So ये मैंने क्या किया, मैंने according to the season wise मैंने अपना टूरिस्ट प्लान डिसाइड किया, टूर प्लान डिसाइड किया. दैट इज नथिंग बट द चूज द डेस्टिनेशन और सिलेक्ट द डेस्टिनेशन. देन फोर्थ वन इज डिसाइड ऑन द ड्यूरेशन. अभी डिसाइड ऑन द ड्यूरेशन मतलब सपोज अगर पीक सीजन है, बराबर है। तो हम ना कोई भी टूरिस्ट प्लेस डिसाइड करेंगे ना, तो वहां पे बहुत ज्यादा भीड़, ऑलरेडी बहुत ज्यादा क्राउड कॉन्सेंट्रेट होगा ही। rather than this, if we select the off season, then ultimately crowd are less, so we explore the more area, we regenerate our own energy, and we definitely receive the peacefulness from that place. That is nothing but the to decide on the duration. अभी ये जो टाइम समय है ना, during the whenever we visit the some sort of destination, then time plan supposed to be 10 to 15 days are enough to explore the new area. But at the same time, if we plan to go abroad, say the Europe tour, then in that case we require at least 28 to 30 days to see out the main destinations in the part of Europe. That is known as the choose the destination. That is point number third. Point number fourth क्या है? That is nothing but the decide on the duration. Decide on the duration हुआ था, बराबर है अभी. Fifth क्या है? Research and the plan the itinerary. इसमें क्या आएगा? That through this kind of the research need to be conducted to collect the following information. That information include accommodation options, reservation formalities, climatical conditions, cultural norms, food and leisure activities, as well as nature of tour documents. These are the things comes in the part of conducting the research, that is research and plan the itinerary. Then point number 6 is book transportation and accommodation. तो इसमें क्या आएगा? Decisions on the mode of transportation required to reach the destination must be decided well in advance. The transportation mode may include flight, train, bus, or any other mode. That selection of transportation depends on the budget, time availability, comfort, etc. Once the mode of transportation is decided, the planner must make arrangement to book or reserve the transportation. The local transportations at the place of destinations should also be well planned. And the planner must decide about the accommodation as well after the transportation. During the tour, there are different types of accommodations such as hotels, cottages, resorts. The nature of accommodation depends on certain factors such as taste and preferences of the tourist, budget, availability, and the availability of the accommodation. So these are the things comes in the part of decision on transportation as well as accommodation option. बराबर है? That is comes in the point number 6. Point number 7 is arrange the travel documentation. Means what ki whenever we plan to go the abroad, then in that case we have to arrange the documentation in the properly manner. For example, if I want to visit the Dubai, तो मेरे पास क्या क्या चाहिए? मेरे पास मेरा passport चाहिए. Regarding all the documents supposed to be carry, मेरा आधार कार्ड, पैन कार्ड भी लगेगा if it is necessary, but we have to carry out. So these are the documentation comes in the part of arrange the travel documents. The tourist must organize the travel documents for the smooth travel experiences. The documents are passport and visa, flight tickets, travel insurance, hotel reservations, itinerary list, as well as any other relevant documents are required while we plan for the some sort of destination, some kind of destinations. Then arrange travel documentation हुआ. Eighth plan क्या है? Plan for the local transportation. That is nothing but point number 8. Okay. Plan for the local transportation. Once at the destination decided, it is important to have a clear plan for the local transportation. This could involve renting a car, using public transportation, or hiring local guides. Research options like ride sharping apps, taxi, bus, or metro systems to ensure smooth movement between the locations. मतलब हम ना suppose if I visit Agra is totally crowded city. So before visit over there, I have to book my transportation, like I have to book my cab or some other guides. Pre-booking is possible in that place. Pre-booking has to be done before visiting any part of the destination. That is known as the plan for the local transportation. Then next one is packing appropriately. जब भी हम लोग डिसाइड करते हैं ना कि मुझे ये प्लेस विजिट करना है, then in that part packing appropriately comes into the picture. The planner must take a list of essential items required for the tour. The packaging include clothing and accessories, toiletries, medicines, travel documents, snacks or ready-made food items, any other items including the electronics equipments. That is known as the packing appropriately. Then executions of the tour. Once on the trip, execute the plan as per the itinerary while remaining flexible to changes. Ensure regular communication with accommodation providers, social guides, and the transportation services to avoid any last-minute issues. Stick to the budget and manage time efficiently to cover the planned activities. If unforeseen circumstances arise, adapt the plan as necessary actions, making room for spontaneous activities and unforeseen delay itself. That is known as the executions of the tour. मतलब मैंने सिर्फ टूर डिसाइड किया है, वी गैदर ऑल द काइंड ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, और आफ्टरवर्ड्स नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या आएगा, जो मेरा ड्रीम है दैट ड्रीम कम्स ट्रू टू विजिट द सर्टन प्लेस लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल हिमाचल प्रदेश और लेह लद्दाख और सम अंडमान निकोबार आइसलैंड. That is my planning for the future aspect to visit these kind of the cities. That is known as, ये मैंने decide करने के बाद ना necessary actions भी as a travelers I took and I execute the plan. Then next one is post tour evaluation. That means after the tour is completed, evaluation the trip help improve the future planning, reflects on what worked well, what would have been better, and how the experience matched the expectations. Sharing feedback with the service providers or posting reviews can also help others in their travel planning. So conclusion we can draw over here. Just 1 second. Yeah. By following the above procedure systematically, the tourist can maximize the tour experience and minimize the potential stress or complications along the way. The tourist can have lasting memories of the tour. Also, they want to regenerate their next plan or to regenerate the energy while visiting or while exploring the new area as well as destination. So these are the things comes in the part of part A, planning of the tour plan. Then part B क्या है? Executions of the tour plan. Follow the itinerary means what? क्या आएगा इसमें? That is nothing but begin by sticking to the planned itinerary as much as possible. Ensure that you adhere to the schedule for flights, check-ins, and any pre-book activities. This helps in managing time effectively and allows you to cover all the planned destinations and activities. It is important to remain flexible and adjust for the itinerary if needed, especially if unexpected delays or opportunities are arises. For example, if I travel from the Mumbai to Amritsar, between in that, my next train is quite connected from Amritsar to like Shimla, but due to the environmental imbalance situation, due to the heavy rainfalls, the train might be delays, and ultimately next train which is connected to the first train definitely वो चली जाती है, या फिर वो हमें वहां तक पहुंचने के लिए डिले होता है एंड दैट ट्रेन लेफ्ट फॉर द डे और वो निकल जाती है. देन इन दैट केस we have to be quite flexible about the itinerary which is involved or which describe the day-to-day activities for the travelers. But due to the emergency kind of the situation में ना हमने जो प्लान किया हुआ रहता है वो मोस्टली वैसे ही होगा. That is not necessary. So we have to quite flexible about the itinerary itself. That is known as the point number 1. पॉइंट नंबर सेकेंड इज चेक ट्रैवल अरेंजमेंट्स, जो हम लोगों ने पहले भी देखा था, बराबर है कि जब भी मुझे कुछ प्लान करना है तो उसके पहले उससे रिलेटेड जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स है वो मेरे पास होने चाहिए. मेरे पास मेरा ट्रैवल टिकट होना चाहिए, वीसा अगर मेरा प्लान है अब्रॉड जाने का, देन आई हैव टू देन पासपोर्ट एंड रिलेटेड टू वीसाज डॉक्यूमेंट्स आर रिक्वायर्ड, मेडिसिन आर रिक्वायर्ड, प्रॉपर क्लोथिंग एंड एसेसरीज आर रिक्वायर्ड, सेफ्टी मेजर्स आर रिक्वायर्ड विद द कैरी आउट विद अस. दैट इज नथिंग बट द चेक ट्रैवल द अरेंजमेंट्स. दैट इज known as point number second. Even first एक point रह गया, the booking part is very much important part. Hotel bookings का पूरा details मेरे पास होना जरूरी है. That is known as the check travels arrangements. Then accommodation, check-in and coordination. Upon arrival at the destination, ensures a smooth check-in process at your accommodation. Confirm the booking and any specific requests like early check-in, late check-out, etc. Make sure the accommodation meets your expectations, and if there are any issues, communicate with the staff immediately to resolve them. चेक इन के बारे में, चेकआउट के बारे में बेटर कोऑर्डिनेशन होना जरूरी है कि हर एक हॉस्पिटलिटी मैनेजमेंट सेक्टर्स को ये पता होना चाहिए कि गेस्ट, ABC गेस्ट या फिर XYZ गेस्ट कभी होटल में एंट्री करने वाला है, कौन से टाइम पे, और कभी मार्केट कभी होटल में एंट्री करने वाला है, and at what time the actual exit from the hotels itself. That is known as the maintain the communication. That is accommodation, check-in and coordination. Time management. Time management is nothing but ना to do the list. इसमें क्या फंडा है पता है? What is important and urgent, do it first. What is important but not urgent, do it later on. Not important, not urgent, just skip from your day-to-day list. That is known as the time management. अगर ये रूल हम लोग फॉलो करेंगे ना, then ultimately mistakes might be minimized. We can definitely give the better satisfaction to the guest, and we can do the more concentration about the profit margin as well as the organizational growth. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? यहाँ पे hospitality का growth आएगा. That is known as the time management. Then monitor the budget. Monitor the budget मतलब अगर मैंने suppose दुबई जाने का प्लान किया है, प्लान कभी किया है? दिवाली वेकेशन में किया है. Then I require the large amount of finance because ये जो सीजन है वो पीक सीजन है, तो definitely rates are very high. So compete with that rates. मेरे पास पैसा होना बहुत जरूरी है टू एक्सप्लोर द न्यू एरिया. दैट इज नथिंग बट द टू मॉनिटर द बजट. अगर मेरे पास सपोज 1 लाख का रुपीज है, देन अल्टीमेटली आई कैन डू द ट्रेवल्स विद इन इंडिया. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस मेरे पास एक लाख से ज्यादा पैसा गैदर हुआ है, then I can definitely plan the international tour as well. That is known as the monitor the budget. That is point number 4. मतलब ना मराठी में इसको क्या बोलते हैं पता है? जितना अपना कैपेसिटी है ना उतना ही खर्चा करना जरूरी है. दैट इज नोन एज द मॉनिटर द बजट. मराठी में तुम्हें समझ में नहीं आएगा, इसलिए आई डू नॉट वांट टू कम्युनिकेट. बट द बेटर थिंग इज मॉनिटर द बजट कि यू हैव टू एनालाइज योर ओन finance, and accordingly you can plan out about your future aspect. The next one is maintain the communication. That is point number 6. Keep regular communication with the tour group or the travel companies, local guides or service providers. Use mobile phones, group messaging apps, or hotel phone services to ensure everyone is informed about the plans. Changes or meeting points if traveling alone. Maintain contact with family or the friends, sharing your location itinerary for the safety purposes. मतलब अभी के जमाने में ना, अभी के तारीख में लाइक 21st सेंचुरी में सोलो ट्रिप्स मोस्टली organized by the n number of tourist destinations. So in that case we have quite connect. In that case that is our prime responsibility, that we have to maintain connection with our family members when we are going for the solo trip. That is known as, we can say, maintain the communication. Then point 7 is handle the unplanned situation. Handling the unplanned situation मतलब क्या पता है? During the travel, unforeseen circumstances might be happen, like bad weather, flight delay, health issues, or close attractions can occur. Stay calm and flexible in adjusting the itinerary. For example, if I plan outdoor activity is cancelled due to the weather, consider indoor activities such as museum or cultural centers. Keep important phone numbers, for example, travel agency numbers, accommodations, local emergency services, etc. in case of any kind of the help is needed. That is known as the handle unplanned situation. Then point number 8 is engage with local culture. To make the tour enriching or exciting or memorizing, engage with local culture, customs and traditions. Interaction with locals then trying traditional foods or learning a few basic phrases in the local languages can enhance the overall experiences. Repeat the local norms and customs and be mindful of the cultural sensitivity. Then next one is ensure safety and health. Throughout the tour, prioritize health and safety. Priority to give the health and safety. Stay hydrated. Take necessary precautions based on the destinations, health guidance, and use travel insurance if it is required. So health safety is more important. हम किधर भी travel करते हैं ना तो regardingly accordingly उसके atmosphere के हिसाब से ही we have to carry our own clothes. We have to give the more focus on our health. Drink the lots of water, pure water. Avoid the large amount of intake from the about the food concept. Just give the more concentration about the hydrate our body, not like a dehydration. So these are the things comes in the part of ensure safety and health. Point number 10 is document the experience. ये शायद अपना हुआ है but ठीक है, we repeat again. Capture memories of taking photographs or keeping travel journals. This not only helps preserve memories but also provides content for sharing with friends, family, or social media platforms. While documenting the experiences, it is important to remain present and fully enjoy the moments without being overly distracted by the technology. That is known as documents by the experiences. Feedback and reviews. After completing each major part of the trip, for example, hotel stay, tours, and other kind of activities which is designed by the hospitality management, provide feedback or leave assist future travelers. Positive feedback can also open up possibilities for perks like discount or special treatment for the future visits. So these are all the things comes in the part of feedback and the review. So before closing statement, the conclusion is by adopting the above procedure relating to the executions of the tour plan, the traveler may keep an excellent memory of the tour. The traveler can cherish the rich memories of the tour itself. So next lecture mostly we start with the mm, just wait a minute. Okay. Coordination during the tour management. So we'll start this concept by tomorrow with the same timing. Okay. Yes. Thank you so much. Mostly till Sunday नहीं. Yeah. मुझे लगता है शायद कल कल तक ही अपना ये entire syllabus will be gets over entirely. Yeah. Hardly एक हाथ दूसरा ही point बचा है. Then I want to cover up tomorrow only. Just I want to stop over here. Yeah, thank you so much for listening very carefully. Thanks.